Hey there, fellow gardeners! Spring is here, and with it comes the perfect opportunity to get outside, enjoy the fresh air, and start planting. It's the ideal time to get your hands dirty and breathe life into your garden. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a newbie, there's always something new to learn. Today, I'm sharing my top spring planting hacks to help you set the stage for a thriving garden. These tips will ensure your plants get the best start possible. Let's dive in and make this gardening season the best one yet. First up, let's talk about soil prep. It's the foundation of a healthy garden. Your plants need a solid foundation, so start by loosening up the soil. This helps roots penetrate more easily and improves water drainage. Use a garden fork or tiller to break up any compacted areas. This step is crucial for ensuring your plants have the best environment to grow. Mix in some compost or well-rotted manure to enrich the soil with nutrients. This organic matter will feed your plants and improve soil structure. This will give your plants the boost they need to grow strong and healthy. Healthy soil equals healthy plants. Next, consider the timing of your planting. Timing can make or break your garden. Different plants have different needs, so it's crucial to know when to plant each variety. A little planning goes a long way. For cool season crops like lettuce, peas, and spinach, get them in the ground as soon as the soil is workable. These plants thrive in cooler temperatures. For warm season crops like tomatoes and peppers, wait until the danger of frost has passed. These plants need warmer soil to grow well. Timing is everything. Keep an eye on the weather and your local frost dates to ensure your plants get the best start. Now let's talk about spacing. Proper spacing is key to a healthy garden. Give your plants room to breathe. Adequate spacing allows for better air circulation and reduces the risk of disease. Crowding can lead to poor air circulation and increase the risk of disease. It can also stunt plant growth. Follow the spacing recommendations on your seed packets or plant labels. These guidelines are there for a reason. Trust me, your plants will thank you. They'll have the space they need to grow and thrive. Another great hack is to use mulch. Mulch is a gardener's best friend. Mulch helps retain moisture, suppress weeds, and regulate soil temperature. It's a simple step that offers big benefits. Spread a layer of organic mulch, like straw or wood chips, around your plants. This will keep your garden looking neat and tidy. Not only does it look neat and tidy, but it also provides a host of benefits for your garden. Your plants will be healthier and happier. Lastly, don't forget about companion planting. This technique can boost your garden's productivity. Some plants grow better together, and can even repel pests, or enhance each other's growth. It's a natural way to improve your garden. For example, planting basil near tomatoes can improve their flavor and ward off pests. There are many beneficial combinations to explore. Do a little research on companion planting to make the most of your garden space. It's a fun and rewarding way to garden. And there you have it, my top spring planting hacks for a thriving garden. Remember, gardening is all about trial and error, so don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for you. Each garden is unique. Happy planting, and may your garden flourish this spring. Enjoy the process and the beautiful results. If you found these tips helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more gardening tips. Your support helps us create more content. See you in the next video. Keep growing and keep learning. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening.